I'm David Rynerson, and I teach English at the American School in Japan. I spend a lot of time assessing student work. With all the access to technology, I've been interested in running a paperless classroom for a few different reasons. For one thing, it's green. For another thing, it allows me access to my students' work all the time, anywhere there's a Wi-Fi signal. This access is useful for aggregating data about individual students' progress, collaborating to establish inter-rater reliability, as well as giving me feedback to improve my teaching. This system relies on cloud storage, so the first thing my students do is to create and share a Google Drive folder with me. Within that folder, I found that a somewhat standardized system of folders to organize documents is essential. So I know when students have met deadlines instantly. I open the file. I can annotate using the comments function. I have loaded standardized editing comments into autocorrect, so I just need to type in a quick code, and the entire comment, along with a website URL with further information, appears. I highlight the descriptors on the rubric and write an overall evaluation of each piece of writing. I can also add a spoken comment using the audio function. Then I rename the rubric with the student's name and save it in his or her shared folder. The combination of having steady access to my students' work and the data collected with the Confer app allows for individualization, enables us to set goals, and guides reflection on progress towards meeting those goals. It definitely takes more time than the old way of marking up a piece of paper, but the access and ability to use data helps me to help students develop their literacy skills. Why the paper gradebook? We have a digital grading program, but it's a bit glitchy, so ironically, I need a paper backup. It would be great if there were an app that combined the data Confer aggregates, the annotated paper, the rubric, the comments, and the grades. I'll bet that soon there will be an app for that. So that's basically my paperless classroom.